أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعه وولاه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. Let's get into our lecture of today, which is about small deeds or easy to do deeds. They're not small, I don't want to call them small deeds, but easy to do deeds and enormous rewards from Allah Azza wa Jal. Of course the reward will be enormous. It's easy on us physically, but it is with Allah Azza wa Jal, it is a huge deal, huge difference. As an example, the hadith, before I say anything, you will know that we know a lot of things, but unfortunately we're not practicing it. That's why it is far from our head. But once we spoke about it, yeah, I know that. I know you know that, but have you done it? That proves the point that when we ask Allah for guidance, we are not just asking Him to show us. Many people see the truth, but they still don't do it. They are distracted, they are controlled by their lust and desire, they are under the effect of other things, they are busy, they are worried, they are anxious, they are depressed, whatever the reason is. So not everybody, just because they are shown the truth or they're shown a good thing, they will end up doing it. Actually, majority of the people will not do it, even though they know the right thing. So you need the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to remind you, to remember Him. So the person who in Yawm al-Jum'ah, if a husband and wife have intercourse Yawm al-Jum'ah, and then wash, take the bath because of the ghusl, yani al-wajib, and then goes to the Jum'ah early. Early means before the khatib, before the salah. Early means like 1 hour before or something like that. وَمَشَى وَلَمْ يَرْكَبْ, and walked without riding. And I explained to you, if you are not able to ride, not able means not able. And if your house is next to the masjid, you're not going to get the reward unless you walk. But if your house is far from the masjid and if you walk, it's going to cause you a problem, you're going to get that reward, inshallah, with that intention. And then, so whoever did this and then took the shower or the bath, and then went early to the masjid, and then walked without riding, if they are able to, and they come close to the imam because they are early, means sit close to the imam, not convenience, sit in the back, and they did not talk to anybody or not do anything, and were busy with the dhikr, with every step of the way, they have the reward of 1 year, 1 year of fasting every single day, and qiyam every single night, every step. If you do 10, that's 10 years. If you do 10,000, that's 10,000 years, subhanallah, in one Jum'ah only. So at least do this once in your lifetime. Compared to the reward, the act is easy now. Compared to the reward that you get. Imagine you get the reward of 1 year per step. You'll walk slow, and you will walk after Fajr to reach to the masjid, because you want actually more steps to be. That's also an easy deed, but a great reward. There is no shame in the religion. Before sexual intercourse between husband and wife, doing the dhikr of Allah Azza wa Jal is a simple deed. What is the greatest reward? That if there is a child that will come out from that relationship, Allah Azza wa Jal will not make shaitan control that child, subhanallah. Will have goodness in that child most of their life. So that's also another deed that we can see by our eyes, and we can feel it.